Next, A-level paper, Specimen 2023 A-level accounting, paper 2. Question number 1 we did in the last video. So today we solve question number 2. Question number 2. Sergio is a sole trader. His bookkeeper prepares regular bank reconciliation statement. State 2 benefits of preparing regular bank reconciliation statement. So the first one, what it will help? It will help to find the cash book errors. So first one, cash book errors will be discovered and corrected. Second, bank errors will be discovered earlier. Bank errors will be discovered earlier. And can be communicated to them. And can be communicated to them. Cash book errors we can find early and we can correct ourselves. But bank errors also we can find and we can inform the bank on time. So the first answer is done. Second, they are given Sergio is preparing his financial statement 31st May 2020. His bank statement shows the following for the first week of June 2020. They are given some details here. This is the form of bank statement. Bank statement debit will be the credit of cash book. The bank statement credit will be the debit of cash book. So we can check the adjustment. Here they are given some adjustment. What is the question? Prepare Sergio's bank reconciliation statement on 31st May 2020 to show the balance in the cash book before it is updated. So we have to take the opening balance. Before it is updated, we want to reach in the cash book balance with the bank balance. So we start with the bank balance. Bank balance. What is the bank opening balance? We start with the bank balance 12,350. 12,350. The balance is debit here. The bank statement debit means cash book credit. So credit side balance is bank overdraft. So we put in the bracket balance as per bank statement. Balance as per bank statement. What is the amount? 12,350. It shows on the debit of bank statement, so it is on the credit. It will be equal to 12,350 bank overdraft. Okay, so they are given the bank statement and we have to check each one. The first one, the deposit on 1st June and 2nd June both relate to the amounts received and recorded by Sergio in his cash book. Cash book they are not done, but in the bank statement they are not done. Second, the last check. This also that they are done in the cash book but not in the bank. It means check issued but not presented. Unpresented check. So you know what we do with unpresented check? Unpresented check we will be deducting. So minus. Next, the third one, the adjustment of 4th June 2020 related to a standing order debited by the bank in error. This is bank statement error. Before we are starting the bank reconciliation statement, we have to correct the bank statement error. So the third one is bank statement error. Next, fourth, on 5th June 2020, Sergio received a letter from the bank that has been delayed in the post. The letter stated that on 29th May, bank charges and bank interest. Bank charges and bank interest bank was deducted. But cash book doesn't know about this. So what we have to do? We have to add it back. These two we have to add back because cash book doesn't know about this transaction. Next, bank has received electronically from Alvaro. How much? 360. This 360 we have to deduct because bank is received but cash book doesn't know. So we have to start the bank reconciliation statement. First we are written balance as per bank statement. Second, the first after that we are done the bank statement balance, then next step is do correct the bank statement errors. If any error we should correct it. So here error 3 is the bank statement error. So it says standing order debited by the bank in error on 27 May 2020. When is the transaction? 4th June. So 4th June, the amount is 225. 225. So we have to add back. This is the correction of error. The bank statement credit means cash book debit. So we have to add back. Correction of bank error. Amount 225. So we have to add this both. The amount is 12,125 negative amount. That's why you keep the bracket. Next we have to do, now first step we are done. Error correction we are done. Second, we have to do the unpresented check. So adjustment 1 and 2 are the unpresented check we have to deduct. So unpresented check, unpresented check. Unpresented check are given first. When is the date? 1st June and 2nd June. Then the last check 1683 on the May 2020. So 1st and 2nd June. 1st and 2nd June 1681, 1682, 527, 361, then 1683, 1260. So unpresented check we have to deduct. One six eight one 1682 1683. This is the check number. The amount is 527, then 361,260. The total is 2148. We have to deduct. So what is the amount? The amount is 12,125 minus 2,148. The amount is 14,273. Is it clear? So we are done the unpresented check. But the same date we have 1st June and 2nd June and 3rd June they said. So 1st June we have credit side 1211 and 2170. This is uncredited outstanding bankings. So we have to add it back. These two we have to add it back. Outstanding bankings. Outstanding bankings. First, here they are given. Outstanding banking is 1211 and 2107, 1st June and 2nd June. The amount is 1st June and 2nd June. How much is the amount? 1 to 11, 1211, 2170. Total 3,381. How much? 12,000 plus 14,273 plus 3,381. 10,892. Next we have the last adjustments. Here bank charges and bank charges and bank interest we have to add it back because cash book doesn't know about this transaction. Cash book doesn't know. So we do bank charges then bank interest. Bank charge is 90, bank interest is 120. So the amount is 210. Then one more was there. What is it? This we did. The amount received from Alvaro. Received from Alvaro how much? 360. That we have to deduct because cash book doesn't know about it. So received from Alvaro The amount is 360. The cash book doesn't know. That's why we have to deduct. So now the final amount is 11,042. 11,042 is the minus amount. So we can say this is balance as per cash book. Balance per cash book. So this is the bank overdraft. This is our answer. So we can move to the next part. Additional information. Sergio's bank manager asked Sergio to repay the overdraft. Within the next 3 months, they have to repay the overdraft. How much was the overdraft amount? Overdraft we already calculated. 11,042 is the overdraft. So the bank manager is asking to repay the overdraft. Within 3 months, they want to repay their overdraft. Sergio has identified two possible reasons. Options. Option 1, option 2. Option 1, Miguel, a close friend, would provide Sergio with a loan $10,000 repayable in 5 years, 5 annual installment, 2,500. 10,000 their friend will give Miguel, a close friend of Sergio, is ready to give 10,000 loan. Only they have to pay within 5 equal installment, 2,500 each. But option 2, Sergio could take 7 years bank loan. Friend offered 5 years loan, while next there is 7 years bank loan from another bank. The amount is 16,000. This bank would require annual interest. Bank need the interest also. But when he take the money from his friend, no need any interest. But bank, they want interest and a security also they want for the loan. So not only interest, securities also bank ask from them. So what is the question? The question is, explain the benefits and drawbacks to Sergio each option. So option 1 we can do. Option 1, benefits. What is the benefit? No security required, right? So benefit, they are asking explain benefits and drawbacks. How many mark question? 6 mark question. So we have to write 3 mark option 1, 3 mark for option 2, benefits and drawbacks. So we can do the first one, benefit, no security required. No security required. And second one, Sergio has very less pressure because he is taking the money from his friend only, best friend, right? Sergio has less pressure. The drawbacks. The loan need to be repaid within 5 years. It means a short period. So, drawback is the loan need to be repaid within short period of time. Short period of time. Then second one, this amount is not cover repayment of overdraft, right? Because the friend is offering only 10,000. Overdraft was 11,042. So he cannot cover the overdraft. The loan amount would not cover repayment of the overdraft, because repayment is more amount. Friend is offering only 10,000, but our overdraft amount is more than 10,000. So this is not able to cover the overdraft. Hope the first option is clear with you. So we can move to the second option. Second option was from the bank. How much? 16,000 loan, but they want interest, they want security, 7 years bank loan. So what is the benefit? Benefits: 1, more time for the longer time to repay the loan. They are given 7 years, longer time to repay the loan. Next, what is the next benefit? Will clear overdraft and give additional, will cover overdraft amount and they will get additional capital or no? And provide additional capital, because bank loan is more than the bank overdraft amount. They decided to take additional capital. Also they can enjoy additional working capital. What is the drawback? Here interest on capital they are asking, and what is the other drawback? Interest on capital, they need security. So the first one, interest on capital, bank need security, So question number 2 we are done. If you have any doubt in the solution, please put in the comment box. Thank you.